Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to check and correctly fill your power steering fluid level. This is on a Chevy Silverado. First thing you need to do is pull your dipstick. And on your dipstick here, it's actually got markings here you can read. And if it's down here at this one, you need to add fluid. If it's up here, which is where you want it to be when it's hot, or in this case, the vehicle's been outside all day and it's 100 degrees out because it's middle of summer, then that'll work also as sufficient for the hot level. Alright, now that we know where the level's at, let me get a funnel in the fluid and we'll get it filled. Alright guys, and what I like to do personally is just pour a little bit here at a time right into the top of the funnel. You can actually watch down there the fluid level in the container. Whoa! There we go, right to the top. One second here, I gotta set this container down. Alright guys, once you get that full, remove the funnel up out the way. Here, we'll just set it over there for now. Then you grab the dipstick, stick it back down in there. Twist it on tight, and then pull it back out just like you would a dipstick checking your oil. You turn it, and we'll put it here so you can see. And it's right there at the top of the hot level where it says hot. Let me see if I can get it to zoom here. I think it's going to try to focus because the fluid's making it all shiny. Well, it's right there at the top of that level, guys. And that's all you got to do. Then you simply reinstall your dipstick here into the pump reservoir. Make sure you screw it on tight, because you definitely don't want that blowing off, because as soon as you start the vehicle, it's going to build up pressure, and if you don't twist that on there tight, it'll blow right out, and then you'll get tranny fluid. Most people use tranny fluid because it's basically, it's a detergent. It's basically the same as power steering fluid, and it's also cheaper. But it'll blow right out, and you'll have a big smoky mess and everything else. But that's how you do it, guys. That's how you check the power steering level and add to it on this particular model. Like I said, this is a Chevy Silverado. Some vehicles are the same, some are completely different. Check your owner's manual, or also check with your local dealer or manufacturer on your vehicle specifications. Hope this was helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to the channel already, please do so. You'll have a great day.